Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss what is a method, what are the different types of methods, what is a use of a method, in how many ways we can write the method. A method is a set of statements which are enclosed within the curly braces. It will perform a specific task. A method is a set of statements which are enclosed in the curly braces which performs a specific task. We have two types of methods. The first one is predefined methods. Predefined methods, or we can also call it as standard library method. Standard library method or built-in methods. Are built-in methods. So predefined methods are the methods which are available to the user along with the software. When we install the software in our system, at that time, some set of methods will be available which are called as predefined methods. For example, system.out.print, system.out.print, system.out.println. So here, print and this println are the predefined methods. Here, one of the interview question is, can you explain system.out.print? Yes, system is a class that is presented in java.lang package, which stands for language package. Out is the reference variable of print stream class. Okay, this out is declared as a static variable inside the system class. That's why we are calling this out through the name of a class. This print and println are the methods of print stream class. Few of the predefined methods are, let me take the math class, math.sqrt, math.pow, which is to find out the power, POW, math.ceil, math.floor, math.random, and so many are there, and etc. And here also same thing, sqrt, pow, random are the methods which are declared as static in the math class. That's why we are accessing through the name of a class. Next one, second type. The second type is user defined methods. User defined methods are the methods which are created by the programmer or a user. The syntax to The syntax to create these user-defined methods are access modifier, so here access modifier. In Java, we have four access modifiers: private, public, protected, default. Default. So depending on the requirement, we will be using any one of these access modifiers, followed by return type. So what it is returning? Is it returning is an integer value, float value, or double value? If it is not returning any value, at that time we have to mention the return type as void. Followed by method name. Method name should be unique. Followed by list of parameters. List of parameters and opening of a method, and inside this we will write some group of statements. Let's see what is a usage of a method. Use. The main usage is reusability of a code. What is this? The main usage is reusability of a code. Let me explain what is mean by reusability of a code through an example. Let me write a class called as demo. Let me save it. On desktop, nrcm folder is there. So here I am storing demo.java. Right. Let me write a main method, public static void main string aux string aux. Let me create the object of scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner of system dot in. We are using this scanner, so before using it we have to import it. Let me import it. Import java dot util dot scanner. So one of the interview question, what is this system dot in? In is a reference variable of input stream which is presented in the system class. This in is a static reference variable, that's why we are calling through a name of a class. Right. Let me ask the user to enter a number. So we are writing this program to find number of digits that are presented in a given number. Number of digits that are presented in a given number. Enter a number. Let me read the number. Int n equal to sc dot next int. Next int is a one of a method of scanner class which is used to read the integer from the user. Now I want to find out the number of digits. Int number of digits, initially I am assigning 0 to it, while n greater than 0. Okay, while n greater than 0, we want to perform some group of statements. What are they? While n value is greater than 0, we are incrementing the number of digits by 1. Number of digits by 1, and n equals to n divided by 10. We are removing the digit that is at the units place. Now let me print the number of digits. Number of digits is equals to plus number of digits. Right? Okay. Number of digits. Now let me compile it. Java C demo.java. Compile successfully. Let me run it. Java space demo. Enter a number 257. So number of digits equals to 3. Number of digits equal to 3. Now I printed number of digits. Later I want to print. Okay, later I want to print some message or something. Okay, hello message I want to print it. Hello or some other message I want to print it. Okay, now I want to find out the number of digits in another number. In another number I want to find out the number of digits. Then what we want to do, we have to write the same logic once again. We want to write the same logic once again. We have to read that number, right? So let me copy and paste it. Copied and pasted here. Okay, so asking the user to enter a number. This n is already declared, so remove the data type. Mod also already declared and initialize. Remove that thing. Okay, we are reading the another number, and as again we assign the 0 to number of digits, and we are performing the some operations. Save it. Now compile it. Compile successfully. Run it. Enter a number 478. Number of digits equal to 3. One message has printed hello. Enter a number. I am entering 12. Number of digits equals to 2. Okay, so here what happening here, I want to find out a number of digits in a given number, but same logic, how many number of times I am writing? 2 times. For example, here I want to print one more message, some message, welcome. I want to find out the number of digits in a third number. Again, what we have to do? The same code I have to copy and paste it here. Okay, that means same code I am writing multiple number of times. Instead of writing like that, this code we will be write. Okay, what are the code that is repeating the code we will write inside a method. Whenever we have the requirement, we will call that method. Okay, that is called as reusability of a code. How many times we will write a code? Only once. But how many times we can call it? We can call any number of times according to the requirement. Now, the same code, let me try to write it in a method. Let me try to write it in a method. Okay. And right. There are four ways to write a method. There are four ways to write a method. The first one is no return type, no return type, no parameter. No return type, no parameters. The second one is no return type, no return type with parameters. With parameters. Third one, return type, no parameters. Third one is return type, no parameters. The fourth way is return type, return type with parameters. Let me check it. There are four ways to write a method. The first one is no return type, no parameter, no return type with parameter, return type, no parameter, return type with parameters. So depending on the requirement, we will be selecting any one of these ways to write a method. Okay, first, let's write a method by using the first way. No return type, no parameters. Static, what we said, 1 second. So what is this method? No return type. So no return type means the return type should be void, and method name is, let me say, number of digits. Number of digits. I forgot to tell one point. The naming conventions to define a method name is, method name should be start with lowercase letter. From second word onwards, every first letter should be capital letter. The second word is off, O is capital letter. Third word is digits, D is capital letter. So here, which method we are doing, taking? No return type. Yes, no return type is means void. Next one is no parameters. No parameter means empty. We are not passing any parameters within this parenthesis, right? Okay. See here, just I am doing copy and paste. So scanner object created. We are calling. We are asking the user to enter a number, reading a number, number of digits. System.out.println. Right. Next, hello is there. Right. So here, what we are doing? Just we are calling this method. Which method we are calling? Number of digits. Let me call it number of digits. Yes, we call this method. Next, we are printing hello message. We are printing hello message. Afterwards, once again, we are calling same method, that is number of digits. Okay, how many times we call? Two times we call. Save it. Let's compile and run it. Compile successfully. Run it. Enter a number 25. Number of digits equal to 2. Hello. Enter a number 1898. Number of digits equal to 4. Welcome. So how many times I have written this logic? Only once. Okay. How many times I have written this logic? Only once. This group of statements I have written inside a method. So whenever we want to find out the number of digits, instead of writing the same code again and again, just we will be calling the number of digits method. I hope it's clear. Next way. What is the next way? The next way is no return type. No return type is, no return type means void with parameters. Parameters we have to pass. Okay, let's come to here. Parameters. To find number of digits, how many numbers we require? One number. What is the data type of that number? Integer. So that is int n. Int n. Okay, right. Next one. See here, few modifications I am doing here. Why? Because here we are taking method with the parameters. Method with the parameters. That means we have to pass input to this method. So from where we have to read that input being inside the main method. I created a scanner object asking the user to enter a number. We read the number. Yes. And this n I am passing to the sum of digits. Okay. Next. Again for the second number. Same thing. I'm reading one more number which I am storing inside the same variable called as n, and this n I am passing as a input to the number of digits. Okay, number of digits. Okay, whatever the number for whatever the number we are passing from main method, it will be stored inside the en. Now input is stored inside the en. Now let me save it, compile it, and run it. Enter a number of digits equal to 3. I am entering one more number, that is number of digits equal to 3, and welcome as printed. Okay, next one. What is the next one? The next one is return type. That means the method is returning some value with no parameters. Okay, no parameters. Return type. Return type. That means return type means instead of printing the result here, we have to return this result from here. Instead of printing the result being inside the method, what we have to do? We have to return it. Okay, so what is the data type of the output? The data type of the output is integer. So the return type is int. Okay, so return value is integer, no parameters. Okay, parameters, we are not passing any parameters. Okay, whenever we are not passing any parameters, being inside this method, we have to read the values. Input value, we have to read it. Let me read that input value. Okay, right. So what we are doing, so here we are not printing this. We are not printing this thing. So what we have to do? We have to return the result. So return is a keyword which is used to return the value. The output is stored inside the NMOD. Yes, here. Now number of digits. We are not passing any input. Okay, we are not passing any input. So from here, what we are returning? We are returning the integer value. Okay, see here. Whenever we call this method, this is called as a method call. Whenever a controller encounters this method call, it will jumps to the method definition. Now the controller will come to here and it will ask the user to enter a number, and it will perform this logic and it will return number of digits. It will return number of digits, which should be stored inside some, let me say, int number of digits. Let me store the result inside the number of digits. So now I am printing number of digits. Hello. Now I want to read. So what I want to do? I want to call this method once again. Okay, I want to call this method once again. So what we can do? Just copy, paste. Right. So again, we are calling the number of digits which is stored inside the NMOD. Save it. Compile successfully. Run it. Number of digits equal to 3. Hello. Enter a number 89. Number of digits equal to 2. I hope it's clear. The last method. What is the last way of defining? With a return type with parameter. Okay, the method should return some value and it should take some parameters. Let me modify this code. So return type with parameters, right? So it's taking one parameter of the type integer. Right? So asking the user to enter a number has entered, and number of digits. Input is stored inside the n. So I am passing n as a parameter. Okay, number of digits. So here also n I am passing as a parameter. Save it. Compile successfully. Enter a number 45. Once again, enter a number 45, number of digits equal to hello, number of digits equals to 2. Once, yeah, what we are doing, we are not reading the number for the second time. Yes, let me read the number for second time. Compile it and run it. Enter a number 34, number of digits equals to 2. Hello, let me enter only one number. Number of digits equals to 1. Number of digits equals to 1.